How to auto-scroll on TikTok. First, open your TikTok app and go to Home, where you can see your FYP. And in the share button of a random video, scroll through these options in the lower part so you can see what I am doing in the screen. And the auto-scroll option should be there. But if you can't find it just like me, let's go to your profile and click the three lines in the upper right corner of the screen. Click Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click Report a Problem so we can report this feature. Now here, once you open this page, scroll down and click Submit a Report. Now in your feedback, simply type the issue that we have, which is the auto-scroll option on TikTok. Once you're done, click Submit. Then you will see that TikTok received your report and just wait for their contact. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.